AIRO stock analysis and AIRO stock prediction. In this brief and short 1-minute video, what I'll be doing here is showing you my exact play. AIRO Group Holdings is in this beautiful, not so much beautiful, but it's in this steep correction, you know, 15% down. I also don't have that much data, so I'm definitely mindful of this. Having done over 42,000 videos, I've seen what's actually printing me money and what's not, personally. And unless I see some sort of a double break or a, you know, shift, then I'm not moving or taking things further up or anything, really, to be very honest with you. So how this is going to look like is very simple. You can see I'm still counting it as a demand zone, and if I only see the shift, only then I'm going to look to take it further up. And if not, well, I guess I'm not buying this, right? It's very simple. If it keeps melting, well, ciao ciao, you know. If you do want to learn how to make your 5-10K per month trading and want to stay tuned with AIRO, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.